the zoo way of life and others maybe has mastered some of us. But when you are talking of freedom, you must remain resolute. You must remain steadfast, and you must remain who you are. If you want to get a different result, you do different things. Very, very simple and clear. The reason why the whole zoology of the Republic of Nigeria is shaking, the whole world is shaking, because our leader is doing a great different something.
Yes.
That is why he is getting different results positively. The world is shaking. Africa is shaking. The land is shaking. Because a mighty voice of a man. Because he remained resolute. So let us be who we are. Now, before I go further, I tell you a message that I came along with. We shall know the truth. We shall know what?
The truth.
We shall know the truth. When you are talking of freedom, you must live in the foundation of truth. And when you want to be free from a particular stage, you must know the truth. If you have Bible, you open with me, book of John 8:32. John 8:32. We are talking of freedom. And as I believe it, our freedom is not far. Any moment from now, the last miracle on earth will come. And everybody will rejoice. Any moment from now, the last miracle will come. My leader said it is the last miracle on earth. The kingdom of the Most High. Where the children of the Most High will live. Where you will exercise your real freedom. Be who you are. But for us to achieve this end, I heard from my director that we must be who we are. Original. When you are trying to be like somebody that you are not the person, you become fake. And the reason why the Africa entirely are where they are now, because